So we got this 2021 Gladiator back in the shop. When they first purchased it, it come down here and we done the 2.5 inch rough country leveling kit with just front kit. And we done wheel spacer and put 35s on it. Now it's back. We're going to a 3.5 inch full rough country kit. We're doing front winch bumper from rough country, a 12,000 pound winch from rough country with a synthetic rope, a rough country rear bumper, and a Yakima roof rack on top of the Yakima bars already. So get it done and see what it's going to look like, and hopefully the customer's happy with it. It tied up. Alright, so we wrapped up the 2021 Gladiator. We done the rough country front bumper with the LED fog lights, which I wired back to the factory fog light switch, which you can see we used the factory harness, so you still got a plug on, unplug like the factory mounted here. I just cut the end of the factory plug off and heat shrink all that together. Got the 12,000 pound Pro Series synthetic winch, or synthetic line winch from rough country. Got the light bar. We did wire this to a separate switch so they can control that from switch on the dash. We removed the 2.5 inch leveling kit, put a 3.5 inch full kit on it. Springs all the way around, and the newer M3 shocks, or M1 shocks, sorry. The original ones are N3s, these are the M1s. And then go to the back, added a rough country rear bumper with the lights in it, and they're actually tied into the reverse lights on Jeep, so when you put it in reverse, you got extra backup lights. And it utilizes the factory tag lights and has a hole for the factory trailer plug. So all that, it even has the holes. This one didn't have it, but if you had the Gladiator or that has the backup sensors, it has holes for them, but it has plugs to put in them if it don't. And then we added the Yakima roof rack onto the Yakima roof bar that was already there. So just for the LED light bar, has a little switch, comes with it, and it's just nicely mounted there out of the way. It's got the red light for being off and a green light when it's on. As you can see, if you just match it, it turns green and it's on. Very bright light bar. And you can still adjust the angle for whatever the customer wants. Wants it down or straight. I got it set kind of straight. So the fog lights are wired to the factory switch. And then the reverse lights, you can see, so that wraps up this job. He's gonna add some aftermarket wheels, which I think he's going to Black Rhino. So that'll be the end of this project. And as always, like, share, and subscribe, and we appreciate all the support.